How to register and log in on Skill India Digital Hub. It takes less than 2 minutes. Let's do this. First, go to the official Skill India Digital Hub website. Then click on Register. Select Learner or Participant. Now enter your mobile number and email ID. Once you receive the OTP, enter it to verify your details. Next, create your secure 4-digit PIN. Make sure you remember this as you'll use it every time you log in. Now link your E-KYC. Enter your Aadhaar number or VID number. Enter the OTP to complete verification. And that's it. You can now access your dashboard and explore courses. After successful registration, you can now log in anytime in just a few seconds. Simply click on the Login option, then select Learner or Participant. Now enter your registered mobile number and add your 4-digit secure PIN. You'll receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your login. And you're in. You'll now be redirected to your profile dashboard where you can continue learning and explore new opportunities.